Good morning, students. In the previous session, we discussed speed and velocity and types of speed and types of velocity. In this session, I will discuss the topic is average speed. In this average speed, speed is nothing but the distance traveled by a body in unit time taken, that is called speed. In this average speed, for example, students, a body starting from A passes through B and passes through C to reach D position. The A to B, the distance is 50 kilometer. The time taken is 1 hour. Next, B to C is 60 kilometer, 1 hour. C to D is 65 kilometer, then 1 hour time taken. In this average speed means the total distance calculated by total time taken. For example, in this one, average speed is equal to total distance. Total distance is 50 plus 60 plus 65 by 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is equal to 50 plus 60, 110, 110 plus 65, 175 by 3. 3 ones so 3, 3 fives 8.3, 58.3 kilometer per hour. Okay, the average speed is 58.3 kilometer per hour. Okay, in this average speed is defined as the ratio of the total distance traveled by a body in the total time interval. Average speed is equal to total distance traveled by total time. Okay, in this is the formula for average speed. For example, one application, students, if a particle traveling distances s1 comma s2 comma s3 and so on with velocities and with the speeds are v1 comma v2 comma v3 and so on, then find out the average speed. The average speed is nothing but average speed is equal to total distance. The total distance is s1 plus s2 plus s3 by the total time taken. The total time taken is the time is equal to distance by speed, that is s1 by v1 plus s2 by v2 plus s3 by v3. This is the average speed. Find out for particle traveling distances s1, s2, s3 and so on with the speeds are v1, v2, v3 and so on. Then find out average speed is equal to total distance. Total distance means s1 plus s2 plus s3 by speed. The speed is equal to distance by time taken. Then time taken is equal to distance by speed. s1 by v1 plus s2 by v2 plus s3 by v3. This is average speed. Next, one more application. Note first point. If a particle is traveling first to half of the speed v1, the total distance covered second half of speed is v2, then find out average speed. In the total distance is unknown distance. For example, a body starting from A passes through B to reach C position. The first half of the distance is with the speed v1. The second speed is v2. The total distance, these two distances are equal, two sections. This is x, this is also x. The x plus x is equal to 2x. Average speed is equal to total distance by total time taken. The total distance x plus x, 2x by total time taken, t1 plus t2. Here t1 is equal to x by v1, t2 is equal to x by v2. These two values are substituted in this formula. 2x by t1, x by v1 plus x by v2, that implies 2x by x is common, it is written as v1 plus v2 by v1 v2. X cancel, remaining is the denominator, the fraction will be reversed, then it is written as 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. This is the formula. The average speed covered the two sessions with the speed v1 v2, the equal distances calculated, then find out average speed is equal to 2v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. The next, note 2. If a particle traveling with the speed v1 v2 in equal time interval, then find out average speed. The equal time interval means the two sessions t1 is equal to t, t2 is equal to t. Therefore t1 is equal to t2 is equal to t. The average speed formula, total distance by total time taken. Total distance, that is x1 plus x2 by t1 plus t2 here x1 is equal to v1 into t1. Here t1 is equal to t v1 t. x2 is equal to v2 t2, that is equal to v2 into t. These two values substituted in the place of x1 x2, v1 t plus v2 t by t plus t. That is equal to t common in the numerator, v1 plus v2 by t plus t 2t, t2 cancel, remaining average speed is equal to v1 plus v2 by 2. This is in this case the equal interval, the two sessions, then find out average speed is v1 plus v2 by 2. This is the second case. Next some problems to discuss. Okay, first problem. In traveling from Delhi to Pune, Rohan drove his bike for at 2 hours 60 kilometer per hour. Next 3 hour 70 kilometer per hour. Then find out average speed. Okay, so Rohan drove his bike for starting from Delhi to reach Pune. So total time 2 hours plus 3 hours 5 hours, and first 2 hours with the speed is 60 kilometer per hour. Next 3 hours with the speed is 70 kilometer per hour. Then find out average speed. V1 is equal to 60 kilometer per hour. T1 is equal to 2 hours. The distance S1 is equal to V1 into T1, 60 into 2, that is equal to 120 kilometer. The second case, next to 3 hour 70 kilometer. V2 is equal to 70 kilometer per hour. T2 is equal to 3 hours. The distance S2 is equal to V2 into T2, V2 into T2, 70 into 3, that is equal to 210 kilometer. In this average speed is total distance by total time. Total distance 120 plus 210, 120 plus 210 by first 2 hours, next 3 hours, 2 plus 3, okay, that is equal to 120 plus 3 210, 330 by 5, Okay, 5 6 30 66 kilometer per hour. This is the problem.